Is editing required? Welcome to another Learn Photography for Free video. And the question has been asked.
Do I need to edit every photo I take? I have attended some workshops, and everyone tells me that I need to edit my photos. Do I need to learn Photoshop or another editing program to become a good photographer?
Do you need to edit every photo you take? The short answer is no. But let me explain. If you approach photography from the mindset that you can fix your photos by editing them to look good, then that will make you a good editor and not a good photographer. If you approach photography from the mindset that you need to create the best possible photo in camera, then you become a good photographer. And any editing you may choose to add then enhances something which is already good. A good photographer focuses on creating great images in camera, while a graphic designer, graphic artist, or photo retoucher takes what they have and they will manipulate it until they have something that looks good. Do you need to learn something like Photoshop or Lightroom to become a good photographer? No, but in the long run, it will enhance your images. When you are a beginner photographer, focus on creating good photos without any editing before you attempt any editing. If a photo does not look right or something is wrong, then focus on how you can get it to look different or better in camera with your next photo. These are the primary skills that will make you a better photographer. Eventually, all photographers start editing images, but trying to combine this skill with your photography from the start when you begin photography, then it may result in you learning to become a good editor rather than becoming a good photographer. Learn photography first, and when you get to the point where you know your camera and you know what it can produce and you have mastered its functions and abilities, then you look at editing to go beyond the abilities of the camera. I am not against editing or digital manipulation of images, nor filters, which are available on various social media platforms. But once you master photography, then editing becomes an enhancement rather than a tool to fix bad photography. If you are at a point where you feel you are ready to learn editing, then first do subtle edits, such as adjustment of light using exposure, contrast, shadows, highlights. For editing purposes, it is best to shoot photos in your camera's RAW format, if available. If your camera can shoot RAW and JPEG at the same time, use this function and then edit the RAW photo to the point where you feel it looks better than the JPEG image without it being overdone. When you enter the world of professional photography, then editing is part of the job to enhance photos you have taken. A professional photographer does not rely on their editing skill to make bad photos good. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section and I will try my best to answer them in future videos. You may also send me an email at rian@rianru.co.za. Do subscribe and click that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.